It was a really good time, but I believe that if we go to Trinidad for our next vacation, the carnival there would be amazing, man. Alright. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, sure. Trinidad Carnival, yada yada yada.
Who are you texting?
My sister.
Your sister. Okay.
What? You don't believe me or something? Do you want to look for yourself?
No. Real men don't search phones, alright?
Right.
Right. Anyways, as I was saying, Trinidad might give us that vibe, that energy, that relax.
Oh my god.
I don't remember your sister being that funny, you know.
Seriously?
Yeah. Well, hear what? Tell your sister hi for me. Alright? Yeah. That takes so long. That takes your sister. I'm kidding. You alright?
I feel like I'm gonna feel me sick.
You want some tea, water?
Yeah.
Tea?
Yeah.
Mint? Ginger?
It's whatever it is. Anything.
I remember honey, sugar.
Anything. It's fine.
Alright. I just lay down. Yeah? Alright. I mean, so I saw the messages between your so-called sister, right? The messages, the voice notes, the videos, the pictures, and I don't even want to imagine the one views that you're saying. So hear what? Go on to your sister.
Okay. So, you searched my phone.
No, I didn't
No,
search.
you searched my phone.
I did not search your phone.
No, you searched my phone. You searched my phone. And I thought real men don't search phones.
Real men do not search phones. But the text did a show.